In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can check whether a disk is MBR or GPT here on Windows. Before we dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. What you're going to want to do is actually click on this search bar down at the very bottom of your computer and type in create and format hard disk partitions just like so. Go ahead and select the option when it pops up, and this is going to open up a disk management window that's going to look like this. From here, you're going to want to go ahead and select whatever disk you would like. In this case, we're just going to do disk 0, but you could do a different one if you would like. The label itself is what they're named, so keep that in mind. But what you're going to want to do is actually just like right click on one of them and then go down into properties where you're going to see something that looks like this. Go ahead and navigate into the volumes tab up at the very top. In my case, I actually don't have it. So let me know if that's the case for you down in the comments and I can help you out further. And under the partition style, you're going to see if your drive is set to master boot record, which is an MBR, or GUID partition table, which is going to be a GPT. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. It does help us out a lot. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.